Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tanya. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review for you and an unboxing. Wild Badger Power reached out to me and wanted to send me this weed eater and sweeper, and I just wanted to share it with you. Now here are a few of their selling points. It's a multi-combo pack, which is great. The weed eater has a wheeled design. They're both high efficiency, lower on noise, fast charging. You get 2 batteries. And it has a longer lifespan. They're more precise in control. They're smaller in size and lightweight, and they have a length adjustment. And all of the details will be listed in the description below, so if you'd like to go read about that. Now let's go ahead and start unboxing. Now I did take a peek in here before I actually opened it up for you. I was just seeing if everything was in there. And they have the instruction books here, and then you've got your 3 little screws that you'll need to put on your weed eater guard. And they have everything pretty detailed in here, but I will have to tell you, everyone, I did not even have to use the instructions. This was a very simple design, which I absolutely love that. And I think this is going to be wonderful to clean up sawdust. You can clean up maybe some spilled dirt from your flower pots, and just to do some light cleanup around your home. And that's why I agreed to review this and unbox this one, because I wanted to share it with you because I thought it was something you'd be interested in. Now, here's the leaf blower, and you saw that I pulled out that little weed eater guard there. And when I first picked this up, I was like, this is so lightweight, and I knew I was going to enjoy that. So let's keep going, and let's see how everything works. And I'll have a little clip at the end for you where you can see me trying it out a few places in my yard. Now here's the actual weed eater, and like I said, this one does extend. Everything is made out of a really hard plastic from what I can tell, and you can tell right there you just unscrew that little knob and you can put the handle on. But everything seemed like it was well made to me, and you just got those little battery packs that slide right in there. So just on first glance, pulling it out of the box, I thought this is definitely a nice little weed eater for me especially. And I like that you can extend it if you're taller, or put it down shorter if you're a little shorter like I am. And it's got the little areas where you can push the button and you can twist it and just set it where you need it to set if you're doing the wheel design, or if you just want to put it flat and use it like a regular weed eater. And I tried both of those out and it worked really well. And like I said, everything felt pretty comfortable, and it was just made out of a hard plastic. Now, they do have these batteries, and there's 2 of them, and it's the 20-volt battery. And everyone, keep in mind, I wanted to leave all the details in the description for you, and you can go read about that if you want to see a little bit more about all of the details there for you. And when I tried to charge these batteries, I think they were probably about 75% charged, so it really only took about 20 minutes and they were fully charged. And it takes about 1 to 2 hours for the battery to fully charge if it's completely drained. And I think I ended up charging mine for about an hour after they were drained, and it charged right back up. But everyone, I thought this was really neat so far. I really love the sweeper. I just can use it around my flower beds, and I get a lot of leaves and different things blowing around. So that's definitely going to be handy just to clean the porches off. Now here is the charging base, and like I said, everything was made out of that really hard plastic, and it was just really simple to use. So far, I seem to be pretty happy with this one. Now let me show you a little bit more about putting it together. And you can just take and unscrew that right there, and your handle just pops right down in there, and you just pop it on. So like I said, I didn't have to even look at the manual for any of this. They made this design really simple, which I think in the busy life that we all have right now, that was definitely a plus for me. And of course, you can adjust the height and just get it where it's comfortable for you. Well, I'll go ahead and tell you just a little bit about the weed eater. It is an 11.8 inch trimmer, and it also goes about 81 miles per hour, and you have the 2 battery packs, so you can get quite a bit of work done with that. And the wheel design, it makes it a great little edger if you have a lot of areas to edge things. I don't personally have too many areas that I have to edge, but I just thought it was a neat combo, and I was happy that they sent it to me. Now let's go ahead and pop this guard on here. Now this couldn't have been simpler, everyone. Everything is lined up right there for you. You just pop that on, and then you've got 3 screws that you attach this with. And like I said, you don't even need the manual because it is that self-explanatory once you pick up everything and all the parts just kind of go together. So like I said, I was really happy about that it was just a really simple design. And I really can't get over how lightweight this is. That I really love, the fact that you really don't get tired when you're using the weed eater or the sweeper. And I think what a great little item for just some quick jobs that you want to get done. And like I said, everyone, if you're wondering about all the details, they're all listed in the description below. Everything that you need to know. I thought I would put them in the description instead of trying to talk about them, so we could just talk about what I enjoyed about it and share it with you. And here it is. I got it put together, and you can see that wheel design works great. Now let's jump onto that sweeper. Everyone, all I had to do was pull this out of the box, pop a charged battery pack in there, and it was ready to go. And I could not believe the power that this had. I didn't expect it to have as much power as it did, and it's great. So that is definitely a keeper. Very much enjoy the sweeper. Now I'm going to go ahead and get that battery pack in the weed eater, and then we're going to take it out, and I'm going to let you watch how I use it, and that'll pretty much be it for this review. Well, everyone, while you're watching how I use this around my yard, I just want to tell you thank you for stopping by today. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And there will be a link in the description box that you can click on to go straight to their site if you would like to see all of the products that they have there, and if you would like to purchase any of these items today. But I wanted to show you this kind of in slow motion. You can see how that's working, and it's doing a really good job. I really like that little edger. I decided to do it around my pet pen. Now, I just had some dirt that was dumped here, and I just wanted to show you how quick it is just to pull this lightweight sweeper out and just clean your steps off. And this is definitely going to be a nice one to use for the fall season also, and to clean up that sawdust for us DIYers. Well, everyone, don't forget to check in that description box for all the details, and there'll be a link to their website, wildbadgerpower.com. Hope you enjoyed this one today. I will see you on the next one, and have a wonderful day.